Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj. Today I bought Dyson V8 Extra Vacuum Cleaner from Costco. Regular price is 600 Canadian dollars. They had it $200 off, so I got it for $400. Let's do the unboxing. I really like this wall mount charging station because your vacuum machine has a home, so it's always same place and always on charge. Very convenient. They've included a mini head. This is very useful to vacuum small areas like cars, sofa, those kind of like small areas that you can't reach with a big head. This is very convenient. V8 comes in two models, V8 and V8 Extra. This is the V8 Extra model, and that's why you see a lot of accessories. I don't know if you really need all of them, but good to have. When you buy, see the price range between V8 and V8 Extra. If you can save a lot of money, just buy the V8 because you don't really need all these extra accessories, which is way too much. But it's good to have for detail cleanings. Finally, here is the monster. The build quality is very good. Like the other vacuum machines, the hair or any threads doesn't roll over this roller, so no need to worry too much about cleaning this head. I'm going to quickly install this wall mount. If you want to know how to install this, let me know in the comments and I will make a separate video and post it. Alright, ready to test now. First I'm going to vacuum flour on the countertop. Wow, it's pretty good. Now I'm going to test it on the lemonade hard floor. To test it, I'm going to mess up this floor with some cereal. Very good. I really like that. Let's test it on the carpet. I'm gonna do the same thing. Mess it up with the cereal. It cleaned really good. Finally, I'm going to use the small head to vacuum my sofa. I've been using this for a while now. I'm really happy with this product. I highly recommend. I know it's costly, but it's worth it. So finally, I'm going to show you how to empty the bin. It's very simple. You see that red color plastic? You just pull it and that's going to empty it automatically, so you don't need to touch anything, no mess. And once it's emptied, you just close the cap and then push it on the top. That's it.